Hey guys, it's Andrew and I just got back from the Apple Store and we picked up something really special for today's video. And that something special is in this bag. And in here we have the iPhone 10 64GB space gray, which, let's get rid of this bag. We don't need that anyways. So we have the phone right here. And the first thing you see is that it's wrapped in a very, very special plastic with a tiny pull tab right here. So let's go ahead and pull that off. It smells really good, just in case we don't. So we're going to go ahead and do this, and the box just slides right off. And the first thing you're going to be greeted with is your paperwork. And we're going to take that off and throw that aside. That has Apple stickers in it. I need that. So in here you will find your hello guide, your set of warranty papers, thingamajiggers, and your set of Apple stickers. And in this guide you'll find how to use the iPhone that doesn't have a home button. And just in case you guys were wondering, the first iPhone came out when I was in kindergarten, and I'm a freshman in high school now, so that's 10 years ago. So this one is really special. And to continue on with the unboxing, you're gonna go ahead and lift the iPhone out of the box. And it looks great. Also, it's really small. Extremely small. Too small. It's tiny. Do a size comparison with my iPhone 7 Plus then. iPhone 7 Plus. iPhone 10. This thing is tiny. And this is a better size comparison that I have. iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 10. Let's put these two on top of each other. And there you go, you see the iPhone 7 Plus is way bigger. And this 10 is way smaller, but has a bigger screen? Like what has Apple done this time? Have they done magic? Pretty sure, yeah, they've done magic. And it has a bigger screen than my iPhone 7 Plus. How? Must be the notch. And also in your box you will find your power adapter, very important, your earpods, your 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course your lightning cable. These you can never have enough of because they seem to be hiding everywhere. They have like their own party or something. Okay, done. Nothing else. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. So the iPhone 10 comes with a 5.8-inch screen that is OLED, but Apple calls it the Super Retina display. The phone doesn't have a home button, so you control it by swiping up, which I kind of tried out at the Apple Store while I was waiting for this. So it worked, but it's really confusing. Then I went back to my phone and then I go back, and instead of pressing the home button, I just go and I just start swiping up. So that's really gonna mess me up for the next couple of days when I use this phone, and let's be honest, I really like the small form factor because it fits in your hand, but the screen is really big. So here it is. Okay, So the phone retails for $999 and it comes in space gray and silver. I got the space gray version because it looks extremely close to the matte black that I have. So then the silver comes in white. Which it's silver. There's nothing special about it. It's just silver. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this for a few days. Make sure everything runs really good. And I'll have a 1-day review, 1-week review, 1-month review coming soon. And I also have a whole bunch of iPhone 10 videos planned out for this one. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And iPhone 10. Pronounced 10, not X. If you say X, I will kill you. So make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below what other videos you would like me to make next. And I'll see you guys in my next video.